you trying to get Lobo?
Go get him, baby.
Lobo.
Go get Lobo. Get him.
Go get Lobo.
She knows I have video on now. Lobo's like, what the hell? Lobo, get away from me.
Get him, Mommy.
He's stuck and he doesn't like it. I'll just get up on the couch.
Come on. Go on.
Go get him, Mama.
Go on.
She's like, at least we're safe between you two.
Watch this. Come on.
He's running.
You want him to run over there? Get him, Mommy.
Go get him, baby.
I feel bad for him. He's always being attacked.
Run, Lobo. She's stuck. Oh, no, she's not.